Welcome to this tutorial on Display Master Data in SAP IBP Manage Master Data app. We can display master data in Manage Master Data app or Master Data Workbook. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to display master data in Manage Master Data app step by step. Step 1. Enter the master data type name you want to display in the search field. For example, the master data type name could be IM product. Step 2. Click the search icon. Step 3. Locate the IM product master data type and click it. Step 4. Click Display Master Data Entries button. A second window will appear. Step 5. Click Views drop-down to select View. For example, ABC_X was underscore code. The master data according to the view has been displayed. To summarize, display master data in Manage Master Data app involves selecting the master data type, selecting the view to display the data. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it insightful.